Hello friends, welcome to Research State Profit. In this video, I am going to show you complete demo how to use our website, and I'll be explaining you step by step how to log in, how to register with Research State Profit, and how to use the levels with the candlesticks, and how to enter and exit the uh, trades using our advanced trading levels. So let's start with uh, how to register our website, and this is my number 8553029884. You can call me or WhatsApp me if you have any doubts or any support. If you want, you can just call me. I'll be attending your call. So first, we'll start with our website, how to register. This is advanced trading levels we will be providing for intraday traders, and these levels are very accurate levels where you will be getting a good chance, and you can refer this website for getting confidence on where to buy and sell the stock, and it will be very useful for traders who trade in intraday. So let's start with how to register. This is our website, researchtradeprofit.com, and you can just register yourself by clicking over here, register. It asks you for username, email ID, password, and a password. Any password you can put. Like we don't password is not required on a case sensitive or alphanumeric. You can put any passwords, and it lasts for first time and last time. This is a free sign up. So once you become a free sign up, you have to just uh, you can subscribe to our service for 1 month. These are the plans we have. You can just click to make payment option, so where you find how to subscribe the service. So here we provide daily intraday accurate levels in MCX, F&O and NSE. By just paying 1,000 rupees, you can subscribe to this service for a whole 1 month, and you will be getting a unique access to see our advanced trading levels in all the segments. And by just clicking over here, you can just pay you money. This is 1,000 rupees for 1 month, and if you want to discounts, you can subscribe to our 3 months plan by just paying 2,500. You can save 500 rupees and become our paid member for 3 months by just paying 2,500, where you can access all these three segments levels, that is MCX, F&O and NSE stocks. So here you can just it's asking for a 1,000 rupees payment. You can put your name, mail ID and mobile number and make payment. It will take to bank detail. So from there you can just uh, become our paid member. So this was the process to register and make a payment to our website. So once you become a paid member, uh, you can just log in over here. This is the login option, login and log out option. So from here, as I have already logged in, this is a demo account which I have created, so it's already logged in. So whenever you want to log in or log out, you can just click over here, and you can log in and log out from this site. And here for seeing intraday levels in MCX, this is the option. You just move your mouse near intraday levels. It asks to MCX safe entry, F&O safe entry, and NSE cash safe entry. So these are the three main pages in our website. So if you want to see MCX safe entry for the intraday, you can click over here, MCX safe entry. So this is the page. It will open, and once you have registered and logged in, it will automatically log into this page. If you are not logged, as I'm already logged in, it is not asking for login. If not, if it asks for login, you can just put user ID and password. This page will open, and this is the main thing. First thing is you have to watch every day this date, either it is changed or not. So this is the date for today, 31st of January, and this call is these levels are updated on morning 9 o'clock 3 minutes. So here we will be putting some important news, if any important news is there. As you can see, this base metal expiry is on today. So this we are suggesting our clients to be caution when trading in base metals for today, as it is expiry. And this is the news for tomorrow. Indian budget is on 1st February, so that is tomorrow we have a budget. So market will be more volatile. So it's just a caution for our traders. And this is the main page where you can find a complete. This is the stocks name. You can just click over here. You can see the stocks name and expiry. Whatever the stocks you take, that will show ask for expiry date. So this is the contract wise expiry expiry of the stocks. And this is the levels where you have to enter a buy position, and this is the levels where you have to put a selling entries. And this will the target for first buy call, and this is the first target for sell call. We always suggest to exit in a first target of any entry, either it is a buy or sell. Better to book profit in a first entry, because second target we am not sure. I mean, we won't be having much patience to wait for the second target. So always I suggest to exit in a first target, so that it will be a good accuracy for intraday traders. So these are the some conditions, I mean some instructions are given for traders who used to see our levels. These levels are calculated and updated every day morning 9 o'clock. So every day morning 9 o'clock you can see these automatic levels updated in our website. So these levels work fine when market opens in flat mode. So some suppose market is open in a flat mode, so that day it is a chances you have a both the chances to make a buy and sell for that commodity. Suppose either it is commodity or F&O. So if not, you have to wait for some time to enter and exit. I mean, get a entry chance. So you have to be more patient when trading in gap up or gap down movement. So first 5 minutes you should not take any trade. So this is the thing we are about to explain you. Please pay attention for this. First 5 minutes when the market opens, we will not you should not enter the trade in the first 5 minute candle. So I'll just open the candle chart. As you can see, this is a crude oil chart. I'll just zoom out. You can see this crude oil yesterday's closing was somewhere near this level 8582, and today morning opening was around 8565, almost 20 points down it was opened in crude oil, as you can see this. And this was the green line, as you are seeing here. This is the green line where we had a buy entry. I'll just show you crude oil chart, so that you will be getting more idea on how to use the levels. Crude oil we had a morning buy at 3560. So this is the line 3560. I have just drawn the line. So morning it was open somewhere near 3567. That doesn't mean you have to start buying because you have already given a buy call above the levels. No, you should not enter the trade if it's in a more than our entry or exit levels. I mean buy or sell levels. You have to wait for the trend to give a confirmation. Then you can take a position. So this is the main concept of the website, and this is the main concept where you have to be more alert when in taking a decision in a entry. So this was the call 8560 buy, and 8602 you can consider 2 for selling levels. So this was the buying entry. Okay, we'll just complete these instructions. So please refer. First 5 minutes you should not take a trade. Suppose somewhere near market is here only. Suppose imagine we had a buy call at these levels, or a sell call at this level. So you should not take a first 5 minutes. You should just ignore the call. And second, next, whenever the call, I mean market make a movement, from there the call will activate. But the first 5 minutes you should not consider anything, either buy or sell. You should not take any position in first 5 minutes. Okay. Once the market comes to buy and sell entry, then only enter the trade. So suppose we have given somewhere near buy or sell near some these levels, buy at these levels. You should not go keep buying some lower levels. You have to wait for the exact given entry points to execute the trade, so that you will be having a good chance of entering in a safe entry, so that you will be getting more benefit of getting more points and more profit in the trade. So better I will always suggest to enter and exit only when we are given a buy or sell entry levels. So refer these levels only for your confidence. These levels are given only for intraday traders, and these levels are not for carry forward. And these levels are not guaranteed like 100% this market will go every day as we have suggested, but most of the time these calls are accuracy is very good. That much what we can say. So refer these levels for your confidence. You can watch these levels. You can just keep a track on these levels for 1 week or 5 days, 10 days. You can track these levels before taking a actual position, so that you will be getting a confidence how the exactly market is making a movement with these levels. Once you get confidence after watching 3 4 days trading sessions, so then you can enter the trade. That will be more safe for intraday traders. So these stocks are chosen purely for intraday and with strict stop loss and targets. So we always suggest to enter and exit the stocks when and ever the stop loss triggers or the target hits. We always suggest to book the profit or loss in the given entry levels, because we don't know what will be the next move after this scenario happens in the market in intraday. Excuse me. So this is a one more very important thing. Please do not use these levels on expiry date. For example, ABC stock expiry is on 5th January. You should not take the position on 4th, 5th and 6th. That is one day before the expiry date and the next day of the expiry. These 3 days better to avoid the trading, because these 3 days market will be more volatile, because many players are there who is to trade in stocks or futures only on expiry date, so that they will be getting more leverage, and they will be getting more opportunity to enter and exit on only these 3 days. So what we suggest, better to avoid these levels for first last 3 days of expiry. So Nifty, you can Nifty whenever we are given whatever the stop loss we have mentioned in our table here. This is the stop loss levels. So here at least 2 to 5 point difference you have to keep between the given stop loss and the actual stop loss, because many times chances are there it may hit the exact given stop loss and from there it may bounce. So we suggest to at least keep a maintain a 2 to 5 point difference in Nifty. Same way in Bank Nifty, 5 to 10 point difference, and 3 digit stocks, that is cash market stocks, that is intraday cash stocks, not in futures, in cash stocks. At least 1 rupee difference you have to keep in a buy and sell entry levels, because in cash market suddenly up and down may happen. So 1 point difference in 3 digit stocks in cash, but whereas in futures you can put 30 to 50 paisa difference, and in cash stocks, suppose 2 digit stocks, 30 to 50 paisa difference you have to keep a stop loss, because most of the time it will be having a very less less volatile, and sometimes it may trigger the stop loss and from there it may bounce back. So always suggest to uh, maintain the stop loss as we given here. Same way in commodity, gold 10 points difference, 5 to 10 point difference you can maintain. Silver 15 to 20 point difference you can maintain the stop loss. But in a crude oil only 2 to 4 point difference you have to maintain in crude oil, and in base metals at least 10 to 15 paisa difference in base metals. So these are the things. Do not use this level market is gap up gap down. Just ignore, enter again when it comes to movement, then you can enter the position. So this is the uh, main informations where you have to be very careful when taking this call. So we'll just see the chart, intraday chart of commodity. One is this is the crude oil chart. Let's start with the crude oil chart. So you can see this morning it opened at 3567 somewhere near these levels, and our buy was given at 3560. So we never suggest our clients to enter in higher levels. Better to watch, keep a watch, and just see the movement what will happen in market. It will test your patience. I'm 100% sure you may you may don't have the patience to wait for the market movement to our given levels, but trust me, once you follow the system, definitely it will start giving you a good result. So always follow the system, better wait the trade to get the exact entry level, so that you will be getting more benefited with the levels. So you can see this, as market was continuing morning, it was 6 7, it was opened, and up to it went 73. From there again it came down. So this is a low, you can see this. So here in this was the first candle where it intersected our given levels. So first thing you have to see this candle closing levels. This candle closing, you can see over here, open, high, low, close of this particular candle whenever I move the mouse. So this candle low is 3553 and the closing is 3555. That means it has, this is a buy, as you can see this is a buy entry. So this candle has to close above our buy call, then only that call will activate. So next candle, you can see this is a purely intraday 5 minute chart, you have to refer for intraday trading. So you can see this, it was continuous coming down. So you should not enter under these levels where it is the first candle is closed below the sell entry, I mean buy entry. You have to wait for the candle confirmation to close above our buying levels. First candle has to, I mean, the whenever the candle closes above our buy call, then that call is considered as active call. So this candle, you can see this candle close high is 62 and our closing is again 60, and our buy is also at 60 levels. So here also our buy is not activated, and in this candle our closing was 61. So here you can consider as a buy call is activated, because it went up to high 62, but this candle closing is given a confirmation that from these levels it will move up. Even though it has moved from these levels, but the confirmation is given in this chart at this point of time. You can see this candle closing 8561. So this was a candle closing confirmation that crude oil will move up. So as you can see this, after this candle it has went up, and our stop loss was somewhere near downside, which was not triggered, and you can see this continue, it was went up. So this was the calculations in crude oil in buy call. We had a target of 3587 here these levels. So here the target was done in crude oil. Again our sell was given at 3602, 1.9, that means almost 3602. So again here you can see this candle closing is above the sell call. That means you have to wait for the candle closing confirmation to activate the call. So you can see this candle close low is 92, but the candle closing is 3612. That means 10 points above our sell entry. That means still the call is not active. Once the candle closing is below our sell, then only sell is active. So this candle closing, you can see 3599, and our sell was 3602. So here the sell confirmation is given, but you should not enter in lower levels. Always prefer to enter in given levels. 1.2 point difference is okay in taking the entry positions, but don't enter in 8 or 10 point difference levels in a buy or sell entry, because again from there you may not get a chance to exit. So that is the reason we always suggest to enter the trade in exact given levels. So from this, here this candle given a confirmation to sell, but immediately again here you can see this very next candle it has went up to 3603. That means our sell was given at 3602. Now the call was activated at the time at this candle. So from here you can see it has not went up, whereas in this candle you can see this candle closing is not below our sell call, and it has continuously it has went up. Sometimes what happens, it will continuously go up, it will, and it will hit the stop loss. So better always wait for that reversal trend confirmation to enter the trade. So here we had a sell activated. Again you can see from here it came up to 83. From 3602 it came to 83, 84. Almost 18 points we got in crude oil sell call, and in buy call as also you can see this. It is very simple, it's look very simple to see the chart, but you have to do the complete practice, and do homework, and paper trade for some days, so that you will be getting how exactly these levels are working for intraday traders. So here you can see continuously it has went up, and from here sell call is given. From there again it has come by around a 15 point downside. So again it is trying to retest our sell entry. So again if it as stop loss is not, I think our stop loss was given at 22 3622. So this was a selling stop loss in crude oil, and this is very simple and a very tricky game to suppose if a sell call is confirmed here, and whenever the confirmation is given, candle closing confirmation is given, it is always suggested to you can go for a short in higher levels than the selling levels, so that you will be getting more benefit of making and booking the profits before target come. You can just book the profit and you can come out of the trade. So this is how it was working. From again here higher levels it has come down, it is trying to come down. So this was a chart in crude oil. So I hope you understood the concept. Only thing is this candle closing confirmation you have to wait. Once the confirmation is given, then you can enter the trade. It will give a chance to enter and exit, but you have to maintain the patience. So this was the call in, and I hope you understood the concept of our website. And every day you can just log in, and many clients have a doubt where to and I mean how to find a particular stocks to trade in intraday. What I suggest is you can take any trade, any stocks. You can the stocks will be your choice. Whatever stocks you do in either F&O, commodity, or NSE cash stocks, you can just make a 5 stocks list. Every day open the 5 charts, and keep on making a homework for 1 week, at least paper trade for 3 4 days, so that you will be having a more idea on how these levels are working out. Any stock you can consider. We know there is nothing like you have to trade in only Nifty, or you have to trade only in Infosys, TCS. Nothing is like that. Well, you can trade any trade, but you have to just keep a watch for next 5 days. The same stock for next 5 days. What has the give? It has given the result. Then you will be getting the good result for intraday trading. I hope you understood the concept of this website, and I hope you understood when and where to enter and exit the stocks, as this candle closing confirmation is very important. So once you become an expert in this candle closing confirmation, analyzing this candle closing confirmation, then I hope you will get more confidence on intraday trading. And thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our service, and just give a try, so that you will be getting a more confidence on intraday trading. And I hope we'll run a long-term relationship with clients who subscribe with us, and we try to make a new concepts and new strategies whenever it is required. And I hope all together we can win the situations together, and be a successful traders. And thank you for watching this video. And if you have any doubts, please do call us on this number. And bye bye, take care, good night.